Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Mohammad Asif from Cara Hair Transplant and Aesthetic Clinic. And as we promised as a part of our alopecia awareness campaign, in this video we are going to discuss about 5 important signs of alopecia. Number 1, hair thinning issues. Now, this is one of the most common type of hair loss problem across the world, and it happens at any time after the puberty. There is a continuous reduction in the diameter of your hair root, which leads to a reduction in the diameter of your hair as well. And this entire process is known as hair miniaturization. Hair miniaturization is a part of a common condition known as pattern hair loss. Now, in men, it is known as male pattern hair loss, and in women, it is known as female pattern hair loss. So, second important point is hair fall. Now, this is the condition when you are losing more than 50 to 100 strands in a day. This can happen in a condition known as telogen effluvium. Now, telogen effluvium is of two types. One is acute form and there is a chronic form. If the duration of the hair fall is less than 6 months, it is known as acute form of telogen effluvium. If the duration is more than 6 months, this is known as chronic form of telogen effluvium. The cause for acute telogen effluvium are usually recent sickness, any stressful condition, or maybe the viral infection. On the other side, the chronic telogen effluvium, it can happen because of thyroid-related disorder, some nutritional deficiencies, and much more. Now moving on to the third important sign of hair loss, which is change in the natural color and the texture of your hair. If we have realized there is a change in the color and the texture of your hair, that can happen because of mainly due to nutritional deficiencies like deficiencies of zinc, sulfur, magnesium, or could be iron deficiencies, anemia, or vitamin B12 deficiencies. Now, why this happens? As a skin, in hair follicle, we also have some melanocytes. These melanocytes forms a pigment which is known as melanin, and that gives your hair a particular color. It could be red, brown, or black in color. Now, in nutritional deficiencies, the melanocyte activity gets compromised, and there is a reduction in the melanin count, which leads to the change in the color. This could be a part of your male and the female pattern hair loss, and sometimes thyroid-related disorder will also cause such changes. Fourth important sign of hair loss is reduction in the overall hair volume. Now, this can happen because of two factors. One, there is a reduction in the actual hair count, and number two, there is a reduction in the diameter of your hair. Now, there are various conditions when it can happen. It can be a part of your female or the male pattern hair loss. It could be a part of androgenetic alopecia, alopecia areata. It can be a part of telogen effluvium and a variety of conditions. So now the last important sign of hair loss is visible scalp or a bald patch. So if there is a bald patch which is coin-shaped, sharply demarcated, there is a possibilities of an autoimmune condition known as alopecia areata. If there is a reduction in the overall hair volume, scanty hair, visible scalp, there will be possibilities of male or the female pattern hair loss. Sometimes, if a person who is having a trichotillomania condition where the person has a tendency to pull their hair out, that can also lead to a scanty hair as well as the visible bald patches. So this is all about the 5 important signs of alopecia. We are going to come up with new videos related to all the informations of alopecia. If you like these videos, share it with your friends, colleagues, those who are in need of this, and stay tuned with us.